Last video we have learned how to make decision using if else statements. So instead of using if else statement, in this video we are going to learn how to use switch case statement. Switch case statements. So switch case statements, they help you to reduce the line of code that like you are going to use, that like you will use if like you are using if else statements. So let's do an example here. Just paste the code here and then I'll explain it right now. There we go. So here is where we are starting our switch case statement. So the first thing we do is that we create a variable, and then the data type of that variable, it is a character, and then we say grade is equal to z. So and then we have this our switch case statement here. So the first thing we do is that we say switch, and then what like we do here inside here, we put our variable, our grade variable, and then we close, and then we open this. And then the next thing we do is that we're going to say case, and then after case we say case, it is this a plus. Say case is a plus. So what this means is that if the grade it is equal to a plus, we're going to run this code here. We're going to print to the user, say excellent, and then we are going to end here using this break. And then if this case a, if it means that if grade is equal to a, we're going to print very good. The same as b plus, we're going to say well done, etc, etc. And then in our case, the grade it is z, and then let us see, is there where a case where the case grade is z? So we don't have z here. So what like we are going to do, what like this code will print, instead it will print this default code with this default code block where it will say poor work. Then here it will say, okay, your grade is this one. So let us save this, and then let us run this and see what like will happen, and say build and run. There we go. Say your grade it is set, and then here we have it, we have poor work. And then let us see if we change this grade to C. If we change this grade to C, and then it will check case, it is not a plus, it is not a, it is not b plus, it is not b, it is the C. So let us see what like we're expecting to see. We're expecting to see this one. You tried. So let's save this, and then we abort this, and we say build and run. There we go. We got you tried. So that's it with the switch case statement. So you have two options. You can, to make decision for your program, you can either use the if else statement, or you can use the switch case statement. So looking at this code block for the switch case statement, if like you were using this if else statements, it will be very long. So for this case, for this application, the switch case statement, they are more applicable. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.